Joining me now is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, today's numbers are expected to show a further tightening in the labour market.
Yeah, over the last few months, we've seen full-time jobs growth outpacing part-time jobs growth across Australia's economy. Expect to see that again today. So this would, if the unemployment rate does fall to 3.9%, that is the expectation. That's the consensus from economists. It will be the first time it would have a 3 in front of it since November 1974, so almost 50 years ago. So the thing we need to figure out here is, as Australia's population slowly grows and gets bigger and immigration and migrants start coming back into the country, we need about 30,000 jobs to be created in the month to push the unemployment rate down, because last month 18,000 jobs were created and unemployment remained flat at 4%. This month, they're expecting about 30,000 jobs to be created. That'll push the unemployment rate down by 0.1%, down to 3.9%. So this is a trend that we're going to start seeing more of, Laura, as immigration starts coming back into the country. Migrants start working here again. The size of Australia's working population is slowly getting bigger, and we're going to need bigger job creation each month to get the unemployment rate lower.
Okay, Ed, the US stock market was a little worrying last night. Investors were a little bit nervous about this inflation data, the worst day in nearly 2 years.
Worst day for US shares since June 2020.
Wow.
The Nasdaq, that's tech stocks, they plunged about 4%. The S&P 500, which is a massive number of the top 500 companies in America, that lost 4% in value as well. And it all really got kicked off by Target, the huge retail in America. They put out a profit warning saying their profit this year was going to be $1 billion US. It was $2 billion last year. So their profit's been cut in half, and it's all due to inflation, because what Target said overnight was a lot of Americans don't have that discretionary spending money available anymore. They're spending all their money on petrol and housing costs and rising costs of food. They don't have money to spend in retailers like Target. So Target's share price last night dropped 25%, and a bunch of other discretionary retail companies suffered as well, like Amazon down 7%. They're one of the biggest stocks in the entire world. So lots of discretionary retail businesses got hit hard last night. Australia's stock market, it's not looking like it's going to be a good day. Expect the ASX 200 to be down about 1.8 to even 2% at the open today, and it's probably going to fall a bit further as well, Laura.
Oh, okay, Ed, we'll check in with you just after 10 o'clock. Thanks so much.